owners. Because of rising demand, hybrids often retain more of their value than traditional cars. Hybrid vehicles make economic sense, saving money while supporting sustainability. As technology evolves, hybrid cars are becoming even more advanced. Manufacturers are focusing on future hybrids will travel longer distances on electric power alone. Next-generation solid-state batteries will increase energy storage and reduce charging times. Plug-in hybrids can use solar or wind energy for cleaner charging. Hybrid systems will connect to apps that analyze driving habits, optimize energy use, and locate nearby charging stations. Hybrid cars will likely remain popular for years to come, serving as the transitional step toward fully electric mobility, especially in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing. The future of hybrid technology promises cleaner, smarter, and more efficient cars for everyone. Hybrid cars represent a critical milestone in the global shift towards sustainable transportation. They combine the convenience of gasoline with the efficiency of electric power, making them an ideal choice for the present and a bridge to a greener future. Whether you're driving a compact sedan or a family SUV, choosing a hybrid means taking a conscious step toward protecting the planet, saving fuel, and embracing innovation. Hybrid cars aren't just vehicles, they're the future of smart, sustainable driving.